3 friends and a bag of gold. Once there lived 3 friends in a village. They were very greedy. One day, they set out on a journey to seek some means of earning. They posed to be very sincere, but inwardly they were selfish. Each wanted to feather his nest by hook or by crook. While passing through a thick forest, they found a bag. They were mad with joy when they opened it. It was full of golden coins. They sat down under a cool shady tree to discuss the matter. Finally, they decided to divide the treasure equally among themselves. However, secretly each desired to have all the coins to himself. After some time, they felt hungry. One of them went to the nearby town to fetch food. He decided to kill the other 2 friends by poisoning them. He bought some poison, mixed it in the food and returned to the jungle. The other 2 friends were even greedier. They had already made a plot to kill him and divide the coins equally between themselves. When the 3rd friend arrived there with food, they fell upon him and killed him mercilessly. As they were hungry, they began to eat the poisoned food greedily. As soon as they finished eating it, they fell senseless and died. Moral: greed is a curse.